is Mr. Success Over Money, and I am here at a new construction build. And this is the part where everything is being framed up, and it has everything, the walls, and it's basically framed up. So I'm gonna show you guys around that, and I hope you guys enjoy this information I'm about to give you guys now. So of course, there's my son in here. This is gonna be a window. This is framed out for a window. This is framed out for a door. So as you can tell, everything is framed up. So it's pretty cool at this stage, guys. I have already started the upstairs on this one, but this is before the upstairs right here. So it's hard to tell when it's a load-bearing walls in these because, well, it's not hard to tell, but if you're looking at this, you probably wouldn't know if you didn't build it. And they have these for structures of holding everything in place. So this right here is going to be like a three-dimensional wall. So the wall is going to go right here and slide over, and it's going to be 3 windows. So that's pretty cool to see that. And that's it, y'all. So this is the stage where, you know, it's basically the skeleton, the framing, and that's it. This is the framing of the house, you guys. And that's incredible. Hey, what's up, y'all? So we're inside the property now. I am here to give you guys the first glimpse of the structural final form of this house. So this is what it is. And the house is framed. In the previous video, I showed you that the concrete was poured, the foundation was poured. So after that, it's the framing. The framing is the structure of the house is found in the framework just like this behind me. Okay, y'all, so a few common elements that you will find in a structure of a home. You will find pine wood, you will find hemlock, brick, and concrete. And those are a few things that, you know, makes a structure of a home, that completes a structure of a home. In a previous video, I showed you that when they poured the concrete and they got the foundation laid, and now they framed up and everything with pine wood, you know, so that's where your walls go, that's where your roof and things like that. So I'm gonna show you guys around the house and how the framing is framed up and things like that. And that's it, I'm gonna show you guys, so come on with me. All right, y'all, so you have 3 methods of your wall. You have the post and beam framing, you have your load bearing, and you have your non-load bearing walls. I'm gonna show you guys that right now. So this is your post and beam framing right here. And that's basically taking your ceiling all the way up to your roof. That is that. And also your load bearing walls right here is everything that goes the opposite way. So this is, you know, this is your bead framing right here. And this is your load bearing walls because it's holding that wall up. So whatever's holding this wall up right here that's going this way, that is a load bearing wall. Everything that's running with that wall is not a non-load bearing wall. So this right here is a load bearing wall because it's running the opposite way. This right here is not a load bearing wall because it's running the same direction. And that's the 3 elements of the wall. It's very important. And a lot of people does not know that because they don't get into the structure of home. So that's what I'm sharing you guys with you right now. So you guys know a load bearing wall and non-load bearing wall, and also your beams and things like that. We're going next into the floor. The floor is wood, of course, and downstairs is the foundation. So, you know, you have your wood, your plywood and things like that. So So here's the layers of the floor. So you have your beams inside of the floor right here, and you have the wood that's supporting that, and you have the plywood. And after that, that goes into, you know, if you want carpet and things like that, and that's after this layer right here. And that's if you have, you know, a multiple story. If you have one story, most likely your floor is gonna look like this. It's gonna be concrete. And that's one of the elements I said that's part of one of the elements that I said that was building elements is the concrete. And your main floor is always gonna be concrete. The foundation is always gonna be concrete. So if you have more than one floor, the floor above it would not be concrete, it'd be, you know, plywood and wood and stuff like that. So take you guys on to the next. Everybody knows the importance of the roof, but I'm gonna show you guys how it's ran and everything like that. So this is it. So they lay plywood for the roof going the opposite direction of the beam. So the beams are going this way and the plywood is laying that way. As you can tell, everything in the house is either north and south or east and west. And that it depends on how it's built and what's the load bearing and things like that I just showed you guys. And that's very important to building because you stack. So as you can see the roof opening right here, that is gonna be for the roofers because the roofer is gonna put a seam right here so the ventilation, so the house won't get that hot and things like that. That's in a different video. So they run plywood straight down, straight down, straight down, straight down, straight down on this side and the other side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's very knowledgeable. I just want to drop you this video to make you guys understand you know, the structure, the foundation and things like that. Check the other previous video out and you guys will see that before all this it was just a concrete slab and start building onto this. So I'll see you guys soon. Make sure you like my channel, subscribe. Hey, see you later. Peace.